Tepro SA is an established manufacturer of vacuum packaging machines recognized by customers on both the domestic and international markets. Tepro's packaging machines are valued for their high durability and reliability, which are ensured by using the highest quality electronic components as well as advanced control systems supplied by Mitsubishi Electric. One of the many projects that Tepro has completed is the LPP Thermoforming Vacuum Packaging Line designed and manufactured by Milarex, a world leader in salmon processing. The machine features a wide range of unique solutions to ensure the highest possible aesthetics of the product and its compliance with the most stringent health and safety standards. The main challenge faced by Mitsubishi Electric was to provide the versatile automation system imposed by the modular design of the thermoformer. Consequently, we opted for a proven solution based on the FX5 compact controller and the GOT 2000 HMI PLC panel. This duo works together with Mr. Jet servo drives, which are ideal for distributed automation systems. Plus, all communication is based on a single network, CC-Link IE TSN. As a result, we have achieved high performance and thermoforming efficiency, while maintaining flexibility and readiness for potential expansion in the future. Mitsubishi Electric servo drives offer a wide range of diagnostic functions and predictive maintenance solutions. By combining them with the ready-to-use visualization screens for GOT 2000 panels, we are able to obtain continuous insight into the current condition of the machine. Therefore, inspections and maintenance can be planned in advance. Such an approach allows to avoid unexpected downtime, which very often may translate into very costly losses. The Mitsubishi system also features many patented functions for analyzing process energy efficiency. The data and indicators collected by this solution, such as the overall efficiency of the machine or the energy per unit, make it possible to effectively optimize production without losing efficiency, which is a crucial factor for customers.